Me, corporate level strategies are applicable for which level of management? Corporate level of strategies are applicable for which level of management? Top level management or corporate level management. Next, sir, business level strategies we have discussed as per whose point of view? Business level strategies we have discussed as per whose point of view? Which level of management point of view? Middle level management. And functional level strategies we have to discuss from whose point of view? Which level of management? We have to discuss from functional level management point of view. Clear? So functional level strategies we have to discuss from whose point of view? Functional level management. As in every chapter, this chapter also what I will do, I will give you an overview of what we are going to study, and then we will study this chapter. So here in this chapter we are going to start about discuss about many strategies. The first and the very big strategy we have is marketing strategy. Marketing strategy. Sir, marketing strategy में we are going to discuss many concepts. Like first we are going to discuss the meaning of marketing. Then we are going to discuss about elements of marketing. Clear? Elements of marketing. Sir, elements of marketing में we have two concepts. One is marketing issues. Marketing issues. Clear? And second one we have is marketing process. Marketing process. Clear? Marketing issues and marketing process. Then we have marketing mix. Marketing mix में we have clear mix में we have marketing mix, and we also have expanded marketing mix. Expanded marketing mix. Sir, marketing mix is related to products and expanded marketing mix is related to services. Clear? Marketing mix is related to products, expanded marketing mix is related to services. Related to products we call 4 P's of marketing. Services में there are 3 P's of marketing. In detail we will discuss later. So first we have is meaning, then we have elements, then we have mix. Elements में marketing issues are there, marketing process is there. Mix में we have marketing mix, we have expanded marketing mix, we have. Marketing mix is applicable to products where we call it as 4 P's of marketing. Expanded marketing mix is relevant to services, that is 3 P's. Next, then we are also going to study about marketing analysis. Here, marketing analysis. Next, after marketing analysis we are going to discuss about marketing planning. Here, marketing planning. Then marketing environment. And we are also going to discuss about marketing. Here, we are also going to discuss about marketing techniques. Clear? So these are the concepts what we are going to discuss in which strategy? Marketing strategy. Then the second strategy we have here is production strategy. The third strategy we have here is logistics strategy. Then we have supply chain management strategy. Then we have research and development strategy, R&D strategy. Then we have human resources strategy. Clear? Then we have human resources strategy. Human resource strategy में two concepts we are going to study. One is steps in human resources process, steps in human resources, and role of HR manager. Role of HR manager. Then finally we are going to study about financial strategy. Financial strategy. Sir, in financial strategy, we are going to study about meaning. Clear? We are going to study about meaning of financial strategy and clear elements of financial strategy. There are two things. One is meaning, and then we have elements. Clear? Meaning and elements. Clear? Meaning and elements. Elements में 4 points are there. Elements में we have 4 points. Acquire capital, clear? Acquire capital. Then we have projections. Projections में we have 2 parts. One is projected financial statements, and then we have projected budgets. Then we have management of funds, management of funds, and last में we have evaluation of evaluate worth of business. Clear? Evaluate worth of business. Now, evaluating the worth of business में we have 3 methods. One is book value method, second one is net income method, and third one we have is market share method. Market share method में we have 3 methods. Clear? One is production method, then we have PE ratio method, and then we have outstanding shares method. Outstanding shares method. Clear? These are the methods we have. So I'll repeat once. Marketing strategy में we have how many concepts, sir? We have meaning, elements, mix. Clear? Meaning में there is no bifurcation. Elements में we have marketing issues and marketing process. Mix में we have marketing mix and expanded marketing mix. Marketing mix is related to products, also called as 4 P's of marketing, and expanded marketing mix is related to services, also called as 3 P's of marketing. Then we have marketing planning, marketing analysis, marketing environment, marketing techniques. After this we have production strategy, then logistics strategy, supply chain, and R&D. In these 4 strategies there is no bifurcation, simple concepts. And then we have human resource strategy. Here we are going to study 2 things: steps in human resources and role of HR manager. And then we have financial strategy. Financial strategy में we have 2 concepts: meaning and elements. Again in elements we have acquire capital, projections, management of funds, evaluate the worth of business. Projections में we have 2 types of projections: projected financial statements, projected financial budgets. Evaluating the worth of a business में we have book value method, net income method, market share method. Market share method में we have production method, P ratio method, outstanding shares method. These are the concepts what we are having. So now here just go through this chart for a minute and see if you have any doubts. I'll clarify. Just go through once. Marketing strategy. No. अब सर मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी में क्लियर व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय मार्केटिंग? What do we mean by marketing? Marketing in simple words, if I tell, it is nothing but making people aware of our products and services. Products and services. Clear? I repeat, I am making people aware of my products and services. That can happen only through what? Only through marketing. Simple. And remember one thing, marketing is one of the most important functions. Not the most, one of the most important functions in business. Because without marketing, how will I make people aware about my product and service? How will they come? Like, tell me, have you heard about natural juice? Have you heard about natural juice, Pepsi? Have you heard about paper boat? I think these companies you might have already heard about, right? Real fruit juices. But have you heard about a brand called Mogu Mogu? Have you heard about this brand called Mogu Mogu? No. There is a juice ka brand called Mogu Mogu. See here, it's something like this. But many people don't know about this. Even it's a very good drink, Mogu Mogu drink. See, it's something like this. Very rarely people know about this. Very rarely people know about this. Why? Because tell me, these people are doing advertisement or they are not doing advertisement? They are not doing advertisement. Since they are not doing advertisement or marketing, many people, I'm not saying all, many people are not aware about what's this product. That is why marketing is one of the most important functions in business. And why will I do marketing? I will do marketing for what purpose, sir? Long term. Clear? Marketing provides, important for MCQ, marketing provides long term, clear? Long term profits and growth rather than short term. Rather than short term. Clear? So if I'm doing marketing today, immediately I may not see the benefits of that marketing. These benefits of marketing may be in the form of growth of my business, maybe in the form of profit of my business. I will always see long term. Clear? Next. Marketing also helps me what, sir? It helps me to have a strong relationship. Clear? Next. Now we will marketing में first thing what we will discuss is marketing issues. First we will discuss marketing issues. Then we will discuss marketing का process. We are discussing elements, right? Elements में meaning we have already discussed here. Where is it here? Small, nothing much. Then we have to discuss elements. अब sir elements में I told you how many components are there? Two. Marketing issues, marketing process. Let us discuss that. Elements of marketing are divided into how many types? Two types. Marketing issues and we have marketing process. Marketing process. Clear? Marketing issues and marketing process. What do we mean by marketing issues? See, if I want my marketing to be successful, there are a lot of issues, problems what I face. In marketing, there are a lot of problems I will face. What are those? Example number one, sir. Clear? Example number one. To decide on type of warranty. Clear? To decide on type of warranty. See, warranty can be of two types. It can be limited warranty or it can be full warranty. It can be either limited warranty or full warranty. So before I start marketing, before I start marketing my product only, I need to decide what type of warranty I'm going to give to my customers. It can be limited warranty or it can be what, sir? It can be full warranty. Sir, let us say for example on a mobile phone. When you buy a mobile phone, do you get a warranty on the charger or a charging cable? No. But will you get a warranty on the handset? Yes. That is called what? Limited warranty. Why? I am not getting warranty on everything what I buy. But let us say television. Television pay complete warranty I will get. So some electronic items pay I will get limited warranty. Some electronic items pay I will get full warranty. That I have to decide before I start marketing. What type of warranty I need to give to my customers. Next, to decide credit limit of customers. Obviously, this is also very important, sir. Credit limit given to the customer depends upon what? The customer ka relationship with me plus the customer ka previous history, whether that person like brand value in the market, whether this person is repaying the money on time or not, your CIBIL score. There are many factors what I have to keep in mind to decide the credit limit. And every customer ko same credit limit will not be given. Then one more issue what I'll face is clear to be a price leader, or follower. Sir, I want to clear proactive strategy is an example of what? Proactive strategy means price leader or price follower. Proactive strategy means leader or follower, according to you. Leader. Next. So reactive strategy means follower. Reactive strategy means follower. Reactive strategy means follower. Next. So this is also very difficult to decide what should I be, sir. Should I be a leader or follower? Next. Then to go for here to go for exclusive dealership or multiple channel distribution. Multiple channel distribution. Like let us say McDonald's. McDonald's goes for what? Exclusive dealerships. Clear? And then like MI phones are there. Clear? Then you have Samsung phones are there. Apple phones are there. They go for what? Multiple channel distribution. Means their product is not available only in one place. Their product is available almost in every mobile shop available in India. Most of the mobile shop keeps almost every phone, right? Then we have to use one more problem what I face to use clear TV, newspaper, online advertisement, etc. Sir, should I go for television advertisements, newspaper advertisements, online advertisements? Sir, every type of advertisement has its own advantages and disadvantages. You decide who is your target audience. If youth is my target audience, youngsters are my target audience, then I'll go for online advertisements. Sir, we youngsters are not, in case if youngsters are not my target audience, then I may either go for television advertisements or newspaper advertisements. But deciding this is not that easy, right? Why? One small wrong decision will result into what? Complete marketing being a failure. Next, last one. To reward, clear? To reward, to reward sales, salespeople. Sir, how should I provide reward to salespeople? Should I provide them monthly salary little bit plus commission on sales, or I should not provide any salary? I provide only commission on sales. What should I do? These all problems I will face before going for marketing. Next. Then I told you second point, that is marketing process. What is marketing process? It is nothing but a process. Marketing process is nothing but a process to analyze here market opportunities plus selecting the target market plus develop the marketing mix. Develop marketing mix. So what is Marketing process, sir, it is a combination of three components. What are those three components? First, I will analyze whether any opportunities are there in market or not. Actually, now you tell me, opportunity means what? A favorable situation or unfavorable situation? What is opportunity? A favorable or unfavorable situation? It's a favorable situation, right? Next, then I will select the target market, and then based on the target market, I will develop mix. Mix is of how many types? Two types: marketing mix and expanded marketing mix. Marketing mix is divided into four pieces, which is related to products, and expanded marketing mix is related to services, which is three pieces of marketing. All this put together is called what? Market process. But remember one thing, this point is very important for customers. Sorry, this point is very important for exams. Service to customers. Service to customers is clear. Service to customers is the central focus. Is central focus of what? Central focus of marketing process. Clear? Is the central focus of marketing process, means the main focus, the main objective of doing marketing analysis, analyzing the market is why sir? In order to provide service to customers. There are two components. Clear? There are components of there are two components of marketing process. So component number one, connecting to customers. Connecting to customers. And second one, developing market mix. Developing market mix. These 2 points we have already discussed here, relating to customers and relating to market mix. So any doubts in this one? In the elements of marketing, simple concept. Marketing issues and marketing process put together are called what? Elements of marketing. Now let us discuss marketing mix. Clear? Let us discuss mix. Let us discuss mix. Mix में first we have marketing mix. Mix में first we have is marketing mix. Sir, marketing mix is called what? 4 P's of marketing. And these 4 P's of marketing are also called as 4 C's of marketing. Clear? These are called as 4 P's of marketing, also called as 4 C's of marketing. Sir, P stands for 4 P's means P, product, price, place, promotion. Clear? Product, price, place, promotion. And 4 P's are also called as what? 4 C's of marketing. Product is called as customer solution. Product is called as customer solution. Price is called as customer cost. Then place is called as convenience. And promotion. Clear? Promotion is called as what? Is called as communication. Important for MCQs. Clear? Important for MCQs. So 4 P's are product, price, place, promotion. They are also called as 4 C's of marketing. What are those? Customer solution, customer cost, convenience, and communication. But what do we mean by this? Let us see one by one. First one we have is product. Sir, what is product, sir? Product means goods and services what I want to offer to market. goods and services or combination of goods and services which I want to provide to my customers in market is called what? Is called as product. It means goods and services that company offers to target market. That company offers to whom? Target market. To target market. Simple. Goods and services that company offers to target market is called what? Is called as product. Now, whenever I am launching a product, some points I have to keep in mind. Let us say, for example, packaging, brand, packaging. Okay? Branding of product should be good on a product. Packaging of the product should be good, and warranty. All these things should be properly displayed on the product. Then only customer will have an interest to buy your product. After product, I told price. Price means what? Price is nothing but amount of money what customers have to pay, amount of money what customers have to pay, clear? Amount of money what customers have to pay to obtain the product, to obtain the product. Clear? The amount of how much money you should spend. I repeat, how much money you should spend. That is called what? Price. Next, then we have place. Sir, place means location where you can come and buy my product. What am I planning to sell to you? Product. How much money you have to pay to me to buy that product? Price. But where you should come and buy my product? Where will you come and buy my product? Place. So place means location. Clear? Place stands for what? Location of company's activities. Location of company's activities that make product available to customers. Product available to customers. Clear? Product available to customers. Clear? Next. Then we have last one, promotion. Sir, promotion means promotion is nothing but communicating. Clear? Activities which help in communicating. Clear? Activities which help in communicating the merits of product. Clear? I repeat, activities which help in what? Communicating the merits of a product to persuade customers to buy it. Simple. I am clear. During promotion, always remember, company always tells only and only about the positive points about the product. No company will tell you the negative points about the product. Clear? So what are those, sir? Product, price, place, and promotion. Clear? Product, price, place, and promotion. Goods and services what I am planning to provide you, product. Amount at which I am planning to provide you, price. Location at which you can come and buy my product, place. And how am I making sure that you are aware about the merits of my product, not the demerits? Promotion. These are called what, sir? 4 P's of marketing. Now, sir, promotion happens in many ways. I repeat, promotion happens in many ways. Now let us see how can I promote my product. This is a new question which has been recently added. That is modern marketing techniques. Clear? Before we start expanded marketing mix, let us discuss Modern marketing techniques. Modern marketing techniques. Sir, modern marketing techniques. Sir, there are around four modern marketing techniques what we are going to discuss. Let us see one by one. Sir, the first type of modern marketing technique we have is personal selling. Personal selling. Sir, what is personal selling? Personal selling means it is one of the oldest forms of marketing. One of the oldest. It is one of the oldest forms of promotion. Forms of promoting the business. Clear? Since it is related to promotion, since these points are related to promotion, that is why we are discussing here. Clear? So we can say this promotion is also called as what? Modern marketing techniques. In modern marketing techniques, first one we have is personal selling, where I told you that it is one of the oldest forms of promotion, where what will happen? Face to face interaction. It involves in face to face interaction. Here it involves in what, sir? Face to face interaction with prospective customers. With prospective customers. Sir, when I enter into a car showroom, I am not a customer of a car showroom, right? I am the prospective customer of a car showroom because I am planning to buy a car in near future. So when the employees of a company are interacting with the prospective customer using face to face communication technique, then it is called what? This is called as personal selling, where what happens? High degree of personal attention is given. High degree of personal attention is provided. Clear? Because I don't want to lose you, right? That is why highest possible attention I will provide to my prospective customers. Why, sir? The intention is to make what? Intention is to make a sale. Obviously, sir. Why am I having a face to face interaction with you? Why am I so interested in giving personal attention to you? Why, as a salesman, as a business, my only intention is to make sales. Since I want to make sales, I am giving you personal attention, plus I am having a face to face interaction with you. But remember one thing, directly when I enter into a showroom, they will not directly start selling the product to me. First, what they will do, they will try on focusing or developing a relationship between potential buyer. So it involves first in developing relationship with customer, relationship with potential buyer or potential customer, but end up in a sale. But end up in a sale. Simple. So first I will try to talk to you nicely. I'll try to understand your preferences. I will try to understand what you like, what you don't like. I will try to talk to you properly so that there is a relationship building between the buyer and a seller, which will eventually result into what? A buyer buying what a buyer wants to buy. But remember one thing. Sir, here they can clear, but here cost involved in personal selling is very high. Very high. I repeat, the cost involved in personal selling is very high. Sir, why it is very high? Why the cost involved is very high? Because see, I can add here, because sales personnel are expensive. As sales personnel are expensive, right? Talented people I need to hire. See, anyone cannot make a sale. Only talented people, those who have that zeal, those who have that enthusiasm, that interest, that experience, only can sell the products, right? Everyone cannot become a salesman. Clear? That is why, since they are experienced, they can tackle the customers, they want high salaries. And one more problem, sir. One more problem what I face here is that they can clear, they can physically attend. They can physically attend only one customer at a time. Only one customer at a time. Only one customer at a time. Clear? I can only attend one customer at a time. Hence, it is not a cost effective way to reach many customer at a time. To reach many customers at a time. It is practically not possible for me to reach many customers at a time. Why? See, one salesperson can attend only one customer at a time. If I want 100 clear, if I want to attend 100 customers, it means how many salespeople I need to have? 100. It is not a cost effective way, right? It is very costly. Next, understand what is personal selling? Now, the second type of modern marketing technique we have is advertisement. Second type we have is advertisement. Advertisement. What is advertisement? Sir, it is non-personal in nature. It is non-personal. Sir, it is non-personal, flexible, and dynamic promotional method. Dynamic promotion method. Here, it is non-personal. Advertisement is obviously non-personal, means there is no face-to-face interaction between the customer and a seller. And it is flexible, means I can keep changing the way in which I advertise depending upon the response. If I feel Facebook advertisement is giving me more revenue, I will do more of Facebook advertisement and less of other advertisement. And plus it is dynamic. There are many ways available for doing advertisement. Examples are how I can do. Sir, I can do advertisement using clear newspapers. Clear? I can use newspapers, sir. I can use magazines. I can use hoardings. I can use pamphlets. Then I can use clear display boards. I can use radio. Clear? Then I can use TV. I can use television. I can use internet. Clear? Internet. Then I can also use clear. I can also use brochure, etc., etc. There are many ways, right? There are many ways. But remember one thing: choice of choice of choice of appropriate advertisement method is very important. Clear? Is very important. Why, sir? If I choose a wrong way of advertisement, my money will be wasted. Nothing else. I will not have much advertisement also. I cannot do. Clear? So this is nothing but advertisement. I hope it is clear. Take a break of 10 minutes. Balance we will continue after the break. Two more techniques are there. We will see after the break. So modern marketing techniques, we have covered two techniques. One is personal selling, second one is advertisement. So third type of modern marketing technique is here. The third type of technique what we have is publicity. The third technique what we have is publicity. Sir, what is publicity? Publicity means it's nothing but communicating about a product. Clear? Advertising without money. In simple words, it is nothing but advertisement without money. Or we can also say something like this: communication about product or brand or business without paying for it, without paying for it, without paying for it. Like let us say for example, in November exams, let us assume that in November exams you got All India AIL 1, you got AIR 1, All India rank 1. Do you need to go to newspapers and give your interview, or they will only come to you? So they will only come to you, right? Are you paying for them to take your interview? No, they themselves will come and provide publicity to you. So when I am able to do advertisement without paying for it, then it comes under what? Then it comes under publicity. Clear? In simple words, it is reaching customers at negligible cost. Negligible cost. I'm able to reach my customers at a very minimum or zero cost. Clear? Then it is called what? Then it is called as publicity. How, sir? How can we do publicity? For example, number one, I can go for press release is one example. Press conference is one example. Clear? Press release is one example. Press conference is one example. Then reports. Clear? Reports are there. One example. Reports. Internet stories. Internet stories. These are all examples of what? These are all examples of publicity. Now, so the last one what we have here is sales promotion. Sales promotion. Sales promotion means giving some discount and offers and trying to attract customers. Clear? It means all activities undertaken, clear? All activities undertaken to promote the business. To promote business, all activities undertaken to promote business, but do not fall under, do not fall under personal selling, advertising, and publicity. Clear? Anything which does not fall under publicity, advertisement, and personal selling, it comes under what? Sales promotion. Example, sir, like I can give offers, right? I can give offers, discounts. Clear? I can give offers, I can give discounts, I can clear contest, clear winners contest I can have, then money refunds, or you can say cashbacks or money refunds. These schemes I can run. Clear? Then I can also clear, and I can also arrange for EMI facility, EMIs, etc., etc. Clear? And remember one thing: sales promotion is always done, always done for short term to boost sales. Let us say for example Flipkart ka Flipkart ka big billion sales, or Amazon ka great Indian sales. They are what, sir? They are examples of sales promotion. And sales promotion, you think Amazon ka great Indian sale will be there for lifetime, or you think Flipkart ka big billion sales will be there for lifetime? No, they will be there only for a limited time. During this limited time only, they will give offers, discount, contests, cashbacks, refunds, EMI facilities in the short term in order to boost sales. And when sales increases, what is going to happen? Sir, my market share is also going to increase. So these are the four new modern techniques of marketing. Now, expanded product mix में how many P's are there? 4 P's or 3 P's? There are 3 P's. Now let us write expanded marketing mix. Expanded marketing mix. Here, expanded marketing mix. Expanded marketing mix में we have 3 concepts. That is people, Then we have physical evidence and process. Physical evidence and process. Clear? Now, what do we mean by people? All human elements. All human elements. Clear? All human elements who play a part in delivery, who play a part in delivery, clear? Who play a part in delivery of market offering, of market offering. To whom? To customer. All people who are involved in delivering the goods to customers are called what, sir? People. Clear? People. And then physical evidence. Physical evidence means business environment. Environment in which, clear? Environment in which product, clear? Market offering is delivered to customer. In which market offering is delivered to customer. Delivered to customer. Or you can say, where do customer and the buyer and seller interact with each other? How the customer and the seller interact with each other, or how the buyer and seller talk to each other, that comes under physical evidence. Then we have, clear? Then we have process. Process means flow of activities. Process means flow of activities. Flow of activities by which product or service is delivered. By which product or service is delivered. How am I delivering? What are the steps in delivering a product or a service to customer is called what? Process. Here this is people, physical evidence and process. Now, after this we have, clear, after marketing mix and expanded marketing mix, we have what, sir? We have marketing analysis. Clear? Very small concept. Marketing analysis. Now, sir, what do we mean by marketing analysis? It is nothing but analyzing the company ka situation. Analyze company situation. Clear? Analyzing the company ka situation is called what? Marketing analysis. How can I analyze the company ka situation? Number one, identify the opportunities and threats. Identify opportunities and threats. Simple. What are the opportunities? Means something, a favorable condition, and a threat means unfavorable condition, right? Find out what is favoring the company, what is not favoring the company, and then analyze strength and weakness. Analyze strength and weaknesses. Simple. It means, in simple words can I say, marketing analysis performs what? SWOT analysis. Correct? Marketing analysis performs what, sir? SWOT analysis, in order to identify my strengths and weaknesses and opportunities and threats. I should use my strength and exploit my opportunities, and I should try to reduce my weakness and threats. Now, opportunities and threats according to you are internal factors or external factors? Opportunities and threats are internal factors or external factors? Opportunities and threats, they are external factors, and strength and weaknesses, they are internal factors. Clear? Then we have marketing planning. Marketing planning. Marketing planning. Sir, what is marketing planning? Deciding on marketing strategies. Deciding marketing strategies. Clear? Deciding the marketing strategies is called what? Marketing planning. Now, there are many points that you have to keep in mind before preparing a plan for marketing. What are those? Number one, product overview. Product overview. Clear? Description of a product, you can say. Next, one more thing what you have to keep in mind, marketing budget. Marketing budget. Clear? Next, then threats and opportunities. You have to find out threats and opportunities. Why, sir? Because you want to know what is something which is favoring you in the market, something which is not favoring you in the market. Then what else I need to keep in this plan? Executive summary. Executive summary. Executive summary means short and detailed summary, very short summary of the plan. Then we have current market position. Current market position of similar products and services. Like what products I have, what clear my competitors ka product, what products I have and what my competitor has, and compare my market position of my products and services. Clear, compare my products and services ka market with respect to what? With respect to my competitors. Then I will also see distribution. I will also see distribution. Like how am I going to distribute the products? Will it be clear? Will it be single channel or multi-channel distribution, that we have already discussed? Then target market. Target market description. Clear? Target market description. Sir, what do we mean by target market description? What is the market? Clear? What is the market in which, see, there are multiple types of markets. Like we have premium market, we have lower end market, we have uh, high end market. Different markets are there. Depending upon which market may I want to target, I need to identify that description. These are the points what I need to keep in mind before preparing a marketing plan. And then we have marketing environment. Marketing environment. We have marketing environment. Marketing environment, here marketing environment में business should analyze its business environment. Business should analyze what, sir? Its market environment. Its market environment to find out, clear, to find out its opportunities and threats. Opportunities and threats. Simple. If I want to know what is favoring me in the market, what is not favoring me in the market, why are people favoring me in the market, why are people not favoring me in the market, if I want to understand these things, then marketing environment is analysis. I need to analyze my marketing environment. But what are the areas what I need to analyze in marketing environment? Area number one, customers. What customers, clear, what customers think about me, what should I manufacture, what should I not manufacture. Are customers taking my marketing in a positive way or negative way? Then, in addition to customers, competitors. I need to perform a SWOT analysis of my competitors also. I need to see economic forces. I think pestle you might have seen, right? Economic forces ka examples where inflation is there, unemployment is there. Then political and legal forces. Political and legal forces. Example of political and legal forces, sir. Political and legal forces is nothing but rules and regulations of government. Then technological factors, technological forces. Examples are change in technology. How fast is the technology changing? If technology changes fast, I should also update my technology. Then we have clear social and cultural forces. In simple words, pestle analysis, you can say majority of the points of pestle analysis we will analyze with respect to marketing environment. Now tell, pestle analysis is analyzing the internal environment or external environment? Pestle analysis is for analyzing the internal environment or external. Obviously, it is external. Clear? So here we have completed meaning, elements में issues and process, mix में marketing mix, expanded marketing mix, marketing planning, marketing analysis, marketing environment. Then we have marketing techniques. Next concept we have is marketing techniques. Very important for theory also, MCQs also. Marketing techniques. Marketing techniques में we have many marketing techniques. First one we have is social marketing. Clear? Social marketing. Social marketing means marketing. Clear? It will increase the acceptability of social ideas. Social ideas. Clear? Acceptability of social ideas. Example, sir, no smoking. Clear? No smoking in public places. That is an example of social marketing. Tobacco causes, clear, tobacco causes cancer. Alcohol is injurious to health. Before, whenever you go to a movie theater, before any movie starts, advertisement will come, right? That person's name is Mukesh. That is an example of what? Social marketing. Government is trying to promote social ideas to encourage people to accept social ideas rather than rejecting them. Then we have, then second one we have is here demarketing. Demarketing. Clear? Demarketing means strategy. It's a strategy to reduce demand temporarily. Clear? I want to reduce my demand for a temporary purpose. Then it is called what? Demarketing. Let us say, for example, recently two movies released, right? Beast also, like Beast movie released and KGF 2 also released. Now what happens? Lots of fans are there for these actors who are going into the theaters. I have seen videos where people are standing, they're sitting on top of each other. They are bringing their own chairs and going into the theater, right? There, when so much of demand is there, now when the theater is unable to control the crowd, what it will do? Since it is unable to control the crowd, it will put a board, house full, no tickets available. It will put a board inside outside the theater. What am I doing here? I am temporarily reducing the demand for my business only. I am only reducing the demand wantedly. Why? Because I'm unable to manage the crowd. That is an example of what? Demarketing. Then we have concentrated marketing. Concentrated marketing. Clear? Concentrated marketing. Now what is concentrated marketing? It is nothing but particular target a particular set of customers. Like let us say, for example, we can also say it's like a focus strategy. Like Ferrari car is there, Rado watches are there, Gucci bags are there. They are not you can say targeted towards everyone. They are targeted only towards rich and super rich people, right? That is called what? That is called as concentrated marketing. Then we have synchro marketing. Synchro marketing. Sir, what do we mean by synchro marketing? It is nothing but seasonal marketing. Seasonal marketing. Like marketing a particular product during the season. Let us say, for example, ice creams ka marketing, soft drinks ka marketing will increase during summer season. ACs ka advertisement will increase during summer season. Woolen clothes ka advertisement will increase during winter season. Raincoats ka advertisement will increase during rainy season. So what am I doing here? Am I marketing 24/7? No, I'm marketing my product based on a particular season because it's a seasonal product. They are called what? Synchro marketing. Now, then we have clear place marketing. Place marketing is nothing but marketing of tourism. Tourism marketing. Like let us say, for example, Goa tourism, Tamil Nadu tourism, Kerala tourism, Delhi tourism, Mumbai to Maharashtra tourism, etc., etc. They are called what? They are marketing a particular place. That is called what? That is called as tourism marketing, or you can also call it as place marketing. Then we have differential marketing. Clear? Then we have differential marketing. Sir, what is differential marketing? Differential marketing is nothing but similar products, sale of similar products in different markets. Different markets. Clear? Sale of similar products in different markets. Examples are Hindustan Unilever Limited. It has Lifebuoy, it has Lux, Rexona, Liril, Pierce, etc. etc. Sir, Liril soap and Pierce soap are premium brands. Other soaps of Hindustan Unilever Limited, they come under normal segments. So same company is selling similar products at a different price points. Is an example of what? Differential marketing. One more example, sir, water bottle. Sir, 20 rupees ka water bottle you will find for 100 rupees in a movie theater. Differential marketing. Then we have services marketing. Clear? Services marketing. Sir, what do we mean by services marketing? It is nothing but marketing of services. Simple. Marketing of services. Clear? Marketing of services. Examples are education institutions. Clear? Education institutions do what, sir? Service marketing. Banks will go for service marketing. Insurance companies will go for service marketing, etc. etc. Then we have person marketing. Person marketing. Now, person marketing means, let us say, okay, sports people are there, film stars are there, and politicians are there. What they do? They market themselves. Person marketing themselves. Why, sir? To clear, to promote their careers and income. To promote their careers and income. Simple. I want to promote my career only. I want to increase my income. I will do my own marketing. I will market myself only. That is an example of what? Personal marketing. Then we have organization marketing. Organization marketing. So organization marketing means it is nothing but clear marketing not an individual. I'm marketing the complete company itself. That is called what? Organization marketing. It is adopted by both profit and non-profit organizations. Clear? Like let us say Tata promoting Tata brand, Reliance promoting Reliance Industries Limited. That is called what, sir? Organizations marketing. Then we have relationship marketing. Relationship marketing. Example, sir, MLM. I hope you might have heard about this multi-level marketing. Example, sir, Amway. Recently, I've seen the news today only that 700, 800 crores worth of assets of Amway are attached by the government of India in a multi-level marketing scam. I hope you might have heard about, right? I will bring one person, that person will bring two other people will bring four other people, four people will again talk to and bring money from other people. That is nothing but multi-level marketing, also called as what? Relationship marketing. Then we have direct marketing. Clear? Then we have direct marketing. Direct marketing mein what will happen? Business directly interacts with consumers. Business directly interacts with consumers. Directly interacts with consumers. Clear? Business directly interacts with consumers. I think direct face to face marketing we have seen, right? Then we have augmented marketing. Now, sir, what do we mean by augmented marketing? Means additional customer service, providing additional customer service. Like let us say when I buy a television from some electronic shop, they will provide me free installation services. That is an example of what? Augmented marketing. So how many types of marketing techniques we have? Sir, we have social marketing, demarketing, concentrated marketing, synchro marketing, place marketing, differential marketing, services marketing, clear, person marketing, organization marketing, relationship marketing, direct marketing and augmented marketing. Clear? Any doubts here? Based on the analysis, what we have done is yesterday we have completed marketing planning. Marketing ka we have completed the concept. Now let us start with second one. That is second one we will start here is financial strategy. Here again a big strategy. Financial strategy. Financial strategy. Sir, finance is considered as life blood of a business. I repeat, finance is considered as life blood of business. Blood of business. Here, I repeat, finance is considered as what? Lifeblood of business. That is why managing the finance becomes very important in a business, because if management does not maintain its finances properly, company will run into losses. For that, we need to understand what? We need to understand financial strategy. Now, financial strategy में there are some concepts what you have to keep in mind. Number one, how to raise capital. How to raise capital? See, capital can be raised in many forms. Let us say, for example, it can be short-term debt. I can go for long-term debt. I can also go for equity to raise my finance. Anyway, right? Either it can be equity or it can be debt. Next, second thing what I need to keep in mind, here second thing what is important in financial strategies, to lease or buy assets. Here for this you need to analyze, do you have enough money to buy the asset or not? I'm having enough money to buy the asset, buy it, no issues. But in case if I don't have enough money to purchase the asset, then better take it on lease in order to save your expenses. Next, then we have to determine appropriate dividend payout ratio. Here, dividend payout ratio. What do we mean by dividend? Like let us say 100% of profits company should not declare as dividend. Why? In that case, the shareholders will be happy, but company will face problems in working capital. In the same way, very less dividend also should not be paid to shareholders. Why? Shareholders will not be happy, but company will be happy. That is why it is mandatory for a company in order to analyze its finance and then decide an appropriate dividend payout ratio in a way that percentage of dividend should be in such a way that neither shareholders are unhappy nor the company is facing any financial issues. Then to extend time of accounts receivable. Means should I give more credit period to my customers, that is my debtors, in case if I give more time for them to pay, the receipts will be delayed. All these things I need to plan whether I will be in a position to collect money from them or not. Then establish discount percentage. How much discount should be given to which customer? Regular customers ko I will give more discount. Non-regular customers को I will give less discount. Then we have determine the amount of cash to be kept as cash in hand. Cash in hand. Why, sir? If I keep more cash in hand, I will not be able to invest the money. I may lose income from investments. In case if I keep less cash in hand, I may be able to earn income from investments. But problem, the cash balance, my operating cash will reduce. All these points you have to keep in mind. This is a small introduction to financial strategy. Now let us see the elements of financial strategy. Clear? Elements of financial strategy. Sir, elements may we have multiple one. First one is acquiring capital. Acquire capital. Also, you can also call it source of funds. Source of funds. Acquiring capital or source of funds. So remember one thing, any strategy, if I want my strategy to be successful, I need money. Simple. Without money, even the best strategy may become useless. So that is why we can say that successful strategy implementation, yes, successful strategy implementation requires capital. Clear? Successful strategy implementation requires capital. And from where do I get this capital, sir? From where do I get this capital? It can be differ. From where do I get this money? It can be a proper mix. It should be appropriate mix. Clear? Mix of what? It should be an appropriate mix of clear debt and equity. Clear? It should be the appropriate mix of debt and equity. Too like very high debt and very less equity will be a problem for the company, and very high equity, very less debt also will be a problem for the company. According to you, what should be the debt equity ratio? I hope ratio analysis you might have studied, right, in financial management. So what should be the debt equity ratio according to you? It should be 2 is to 1, right? So 2 is to 1 means if my equity is 1 rupee, the maximum debt what I should have is 2 rupees. So my debt should be twice the amount of maximum debt should be twice the amount of my equity. That is called what? That is called as appropriate mix. So we can say something like this: an enterprise, or a business should have enough debt. Clear? A business should have enough debt in capital structure. What is that enough debt to? 2 is to 1 ratio. Clear? To boost its return on investment. However, but there is one problem. Too much debt means more than 2 is to 1. Too much debt can endanger clear shareholders return. Obviously, sir, when my loans increases, when my debt increases, interest payment increases, because of which my profit decreases, dividend percentage also I will change accordingly, and it will also impact clear business. It will also impact business ka survival. So it will not only impact the income of shareholders, it will also impact the survival of a business. So that is why there are some factors what you have to keep in mind before deciding how much debt and how much equity should be there. What are those factors? Factor number 1, select right capital structure. Means debt clear, you should have debt also in your business, equity also in your business. Don't depend only on equity, don't depend only on debt. They should be proper combination. Number 2, procurement of capital. Procurement of capital. Here, procurement of capital. How do I procure the capital? By issuing equity shares, obviously, right? Then reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. I can utilize my reserves and surplus also as a source of funds, and then I can have good relationship, maintain good relationship with whom? With bankers. Why, sir? At the end of the day, it is the bank from where I go and take a loan, right? So these are the things what you have to keep in mind before acquiring the capital. Now question comes, okay, sir, I want to acquire the capital. I want loans, sir. Now I want equity. Then bank and shareholders or bank or prospective investors will ask me what? Projected. They will ask me projections. And the projections what I submit to bank or to my investors can be of two types. One is projected financial statements. Projected financial statements. And second one, projected financial budgets. Projected financial budgets. Clear? Projected financial budgets. Projected financial statements and projected financial budgets. Clear? Sir, what do we mean by projected financial statements? Projected financial statements are nothing but next to 5, 6, 7, 8 years ka your balance sheets and P&L accounts, expected income and expenditure are showing there. And who prepares these projected financial systems? Decision support systems. DSS. Decision support systems. It is nothing but a software. DSS stands for, I'll write here, they may ask in MCQs, decision support systems. Here, decision support systems. DSS is created in what? In Excel sheets. Here, I create what's a decision support system in Excel sheets to prepare what? To prepare projected financial statements, PFS. Here, next. Almost every financial institution, requires what? Requires projected financial statements. Obviously, sir, without your projected balance sheet and P&L account, no one will give you loan, neither bank nor any financial institution. And here, what will I prepare, sir? I will prepare projected income statement and projected balance sheet. What is required here? Projected income statement plus projected balance sheet. Clear? I will prepare what, sir? Projected balance sheet and projected P&L account. Projected balance sheet and projected income statement. These two are mandatory. That is what is called what, sir? That is called as projected financial statements. But why are projected financial statements required? To calculate projected to calculate financial ratios. To calculate what, sir? Financial ratios. Financial ratios means current assets, clear current ratio, liquid ratio, debt equity ratio, working capital ratio, all the ratios what you have studied in your financial management. And then comes what, sir? Then comes projected financial budget. What is a budget, sir? First of all, budget is nothing but a document that provides details, clear, that provides details of how funds will be, clear, how funds will be obtained and utilized. Clear? How funds will be obtained and utilized means how will I receive the funds, how will I utilize the funds. That is an example of what, sir? That is nothing but over a period of time, budget. Period of time. Sir, some examples of budgets. Sir, we have cash budget. Here we have cash budget. You might have studied under budgetary control, right? Capital budgeting, operating budget. Then we have sales budget. Then we have profit budget. etc., etc. There are so many types of budgets, right? These are some examples of projected financial budgets. So step number one, what am I doing? I am deciding how to get capital, how to acquire funds. Step number two, in order to acquire funds, I am submitting what, sir? I am submitting projections. Projections, what am I submitting? I am submitting projected financial statements and projected financial budgets. And then step number three, okay, once I receive the funds, what do I need to do now? Manage funds. That is nothing but management of funds. Here, that is nothing but a management of funds. See, receiving funds is easy, getting money is easy, but managing the money is not that easy. Then how do I manage my funds? How should I manage my funds? Like let us say, for example, management of funds in simple words, if I say, it is nothing but plans, here, plans for usage of funds. Plans for usage of funds. Example, sir, how can I use my funds? Sir, I can invest my money. I can invest my money. Clear? Or I can create good relationship with whom? With shareholders. How, sir? By providing more dividend than usual. Then I can take dividend decisions. Then I can provide loans and advances. Here I can give loans and advances, sir. I can buy current assets. Example, stock I can buy. Here I can buy fixed assets. Here I can buy fixed assets, etc., etc. In these are the things what I can do once I receive my money. Okay, sir. I applied for loans. I submitted projections. I received money. I utilized money. But now question comes, how do I know whether I have properly utilized this money or not? How do I know whether I have utilized this money properly or not? For this, what I need to do? I need to calculate. I need to evaluate. I need to evaluate what? The net worth of a business. The worth of business. I need to evaluate what, sir? The worth of business. How to evaluate the worth of business? Sir, first method is book value method. I'll write here. First method is what, sir? Book value method. Here, first method is book value method. A book value method, how to calculate, sir? Through net worth. Clear? Calculate net worth. How to calculate the net worth, sir? How to calculate the net worth? Here, like I'll give you the formula. Let us say, for example, you can say, here, common stock shares. That is your equity shares. Then we have paid up capital. Here, paid up capital. And then we have retained earnings. Retained earnings. I will total this up. Clear? I will get total. From this, what will I do? From this, I will adjust. Clear? From this, I will adjust goodwill. I will adjust goodwill. I will adjust goodwill, sir. Total assets, may say, I will adjust goodwill. And then what will I adjust to? Overvalued assets. Overvalued. Clear? Overvalued assets. Now tell, overvalued assets, should I add or minus? What should I do with overvalued assets? Should I add or minus? Overvalued assets I will reduce. And undervalued assets. Undervalued assets what will I do? I will add back. With this, what will I get? I will get the net worth of a business. This total is called what? Net worth of a business. Here, this is called as what, sir? This is called as net worth. Here, next. What is the second method, sir? Second method is net income multiple method. Second method is net income multiple method. Multiple method. Here, net income multiple method. How do I calculate my worth on this basis, sir? It is nothing but Clear, establish business worth, clear, establish business worth as what? As to 5 to 10 times, 5 to 10 times of current annual net profit. So my current annual net profit ko either 5, 6, 7, 8, any number I will take between 5 to 10 and multiply it with what, sir? Current annual net profit. That will give me what? My worth of my business. And then we have last one, market value method. Clear? Third one we have is market, clear, driven approach. Driven approach. Market driven approach. अब सर ये मार्केट ड्रिवन अप्रोच को अब मार्केट ड्रिवन अप्रोच में वी हैव थ्री पार्ट्स. First part is what, sir? First part is production method. Clear? First one is production method. Production method. Second one is what, sir? Price earnings ratio method. Or in simple words, PE ratio method. P ratio method. And then we have outstanding shares method. Outstanding shares method. Clear? Then we have outstanding shares method. Now, sir, production method mein what will happen? Company is valued. Clear? Company is valued at what? At per unit capacity. At valued at per unit capacity of similar firm, of similar company, per unit value of similar company for which acquisition happened recently. Means what I'll do is I will find out any company which has been acquired recently or not. If any company has been acquired recently, how much was it producing? What is its per unit capacity? That company which was recently acquired, uska per unit capacity I will calculate, and that will be what, sir? My net worth under which method? Production method. So first, for production method, what I need to find out? A similar company relating to my company which was recently acquired by someone, and that company which was recently acquired and having a business similar to me, what is the per unit capacity of that business? That will create what? My net worth under production method. But finding this is very difficult because acquisitions do not happen regularly, right? Then we have P ratio method, price earnings ratio method. Here, price earnings ratio method. In P ratio method, what happens? Divide the market price per share by EPS. Divide, here, divide, here I have to divide market price of equity share, I have to divide market price of equity share by what? By average net income. Average net income. Here, average net income of what, sir? For past 5 years. Here, market price per share divided by the average net profit of last 5 years. This will give me what? P ratio method के हिसाब से net worth. And then we have outstanding shares method. Here what will I do? Simple. Multiply the total number of outstanding shares with market price per share. Clear? When I multiply the total outstanding shares with the market price per share, it will give me what? It will give me net worth under which method? Outstanding share method. I hope it is clear. Anyone has any doubts in this concept? Financial strategy, may any doubts? No doubts? Okay. Then we have next strategy we have is human resources strategy. Human resources strategy. Here we have human resources strategy. Sir, what is human resource? Human resources means nothing but something related to employees. Something related to employees. And these employees are considered as what? Biggest assets. Biggest assets of a company, of an organization. Success. Means if my employees are good, I will taste success. If my employees are not good, it will be my business will be a failure. So human resource strategy में if I want to be successful, then some points you have to keep in mind. There are 4 points. Number one, recruitment and selection. Second one, training. Clear? Third one, appraisal of performance. Appraisal of performance. And then we have compensation. Clear? Then we have compensation. Recruitment and selection, training, appraisal of performance, and compensation. Sir, what do we mean by recruitment and selection? Means hiring the people through interview. 1 minute. Did I have any request? 1 minute. Yeah, accepted. So recruitment and selection. So recruitment and selection means hiring people through interview. In simple words, I'm hiring people through interview. I'm conducting interview to hire people. I'm conducting interview to hire people. To hire people. Simple. I'm conducting interview to hire people. That is called what? Recruitment and selection. But one more thing, remember, sir, the workforce, my employees, workforce will be competent. Clear? My workforce will be competent only if firm selects. Clear? Only if a firm selects what? Most competent applicants. Most competent applicants. Simple. Most competent applicants. If I don't select the competent applicants, what is going to happen? Obviously, my company will not be successful. That is why I told employees are the most important part of any organization. And second one we have is training. No. Second one we have is training. Obviously, sir, employees should be well trained. Employees should be well trained to perform their jobs properly. Employees should be well trained to perform their jobs properly. Why, sir? Because if I don't give proper training to them, clear? Because if I don't give any proper training to them, then what is going to happen? Then they will not be able to do work properly, because of which company may not be successful. Then we have clear. Then we have appraisal of performance. Appraisal of performance means this is done to find out any deficiencies. Clear? This is done to find out any deficiencies in what, sir? Any deficiencies faced by employees. Experienced by whom? By employees. Clear? Any deficiency faced by employees. Due to what? Due to lack of competency. Clear? Due to lack of competency. Simple. And how will I and in case if any deficiencies are found, how to reduce them? Reduce through training. Simple. Provide them more training. If you feel that they are deficient, they are not good enough to work, then provide them training. And then finally we have what? Finally we have compensation. Remember one thing, every company gives compensation, that is salary. but I should try to give salary which is better than the competitor in order to keep the employees with me. If my competitor gives better salary than me, why will you stay with me? Obviously, you'll go to my competitor only, right? So that is why and benefits, pay and benefits should be your pay and benefits should be more attractive than compared to rivals. Simple. When I compare my package with my competitor company ka package, my company ka package should be better. Then only good employees will stay with me. If my competitor is providing better salary, better working conditions, better timings, flexibility, obviously, sir, my employees will go and shift to that company. Next. Now, who manages the human resources? Obviously, human resource manager, right? So that is why now let us see role of HR manager. Role of HR manager. What all HR manager should do? Now, sir, HR manager should provide purposeful direction. Here should provide purposeful direction. Should provide purposeful direction. Clear? Sir, what do we mean by purposeful direction? It means objectives. Clear? Ensure that objectives of organization are objectives of employees. How do I move in the desired direction, sir? Let us say achievement of my vision. It means clear now. Sir, my objective in a company is different and company's objective for me is different. My objective for a company is different. Company's objective for me is different. Then what is going to happen? Neither company is going to achieve its objective, nor I am going to achieve my objective. That is why in order to move in a direction, let us say upward direction, in order to achieve our vision, then company ka objectives and my objectives, company ka mission goals and my vision goals should be same. And then second one, create competitive environment. Create competitive environment. Create competitive environment. What do we mean by competitive environment? Provide opportunities. Provide opportunities. Provide opportunities. If I don't provide opportunities, how will competition happen in the organization? How will employees give their best? And then facilitate change. Facilitate change. Clear? Facilitate change. How do I facilitate change, sir? What do we mean by facilitating the change? Ensure that, clear? Focus on substance rather than form. Simple. Rather than form. Simple example, sir. We all want change. We all want change, but we don't want to change. Simple. I repeat, we all want change, but we don't want to change. That is a big problem in every country. That is why whenever any change should happen in the organization, it is the responsibility of an HR manager to ensure that people focus on substance, means the reason for change rather than just ignoring the change. Embrace the change rather than directly ignore the change. Then we have diversified workforce. Diversified workforce. Here, diversified workforce. Now, sir, what do we mean by diversified workforce? Let us say, for example, there are different types of employees, like male and female employees are there. Clear? Male and female employees are there. Then young and old employees are there. Young and old employees are there. Then educated and uneducated workers are there. educated and uneducated. Then skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled as there. And unskilled. These are all examples of what diversified, different cultures, different religions, different countries say people will come and work. That is called what? Diversified workforce. So creating a great culture. Clear? Who should create a great culture? HR manager should create should create great culture. Great culture. Clear? It should create what, sir? A great culture to motivate the workforce. Motivate workforce. Clear? To motivate workforce. Next, then what else I should do? Empower human resources. Empower human resources. What else I can do? Building own competency. Clear? Building old competency. And then develop ethical work culture. Ethical work culture. Clear? Empower human resources, building own competency, and develop ethical workforce. These three are the other roles of other responsibilities of HR manager. What do we mean by empowerment? Means authorize every member of organization. What should I authorize, sir? To utilize full potential. Clear? Full potential means ensure that everyone gives their best, empower them, motivate them to give their best. And then building own competency means, see, this we have, I think we have already discussed, right? Core competency is a unique strength. Unique strength. Dynamic. We have discussed this concept in chapter number 2, dynamics of competitive strategy. So core competency is a unique strength which may not be shared by others. Which may not be shared by others. May not be shared by others. Clear? Which may not be shared by others. It is a unique strength which may not be shared by others. That is called what? Building core competency. And then we have develop a ethical work culture means trust. Clear? Encourage creative ideas. Encourage creative ideas. Creative ideas. Plus build trust among members. Build trust among employees. Clear? These are nothing but the roles of what? HR manager. Anyone has any doubts in HR strategy and finance strategy? Logistics strategy. Clear? Sir, what do we mean by logistics? Logistics is nothing but flow of materials. Clear? Flow of goods. Flow of goods from source to destination. Okay. Simple. From source to destination. From source to destination. Source means, clear, source means supplier. Destination means buyer. Simple. Or you can say customer. Your supplier or seller. Seller is nothing but source and destination is nothing but buyer. Taking the goods from seller, giving it to buyer is called what? Logistics. Now, logistics strategy will ensure that right materials are available. Right materials are available at right place at right place, right time, right quantity. Clear? It will ensure that right materials are available at the right place, right time, right quantity, and right cost to customers. And right cost to customers. Clear? Right cost to customers. Sir, if I want my logistics strategy to be successful, then some points I need to consider. Number one, which sources of raw materials are available? Which sources of raw materials are available? Now tell me, clear, now tell me, should I depend only on one source or multiple sources of raw material should I have? According to you, a business should depend on only on one source or multiple sources? Multiple sources. How many manufacturing locations are there? I need to also consider how many manufacturing locations are there. Sir, more manufacturing locations I have, clear, if I have multiple manufacturing locations, it takes time to transport the good. Less number of manufacturing plants I have, less time it will take to transport the good. Then I should also see which product is being made at, clear, is being made at which, clear, which product is being made at which location. Means which manufacturing plant may I'm manufacturing what type of goods. If I don't know, then raw materials I will not be able to deliver properly to the location. Then should the business own or hire vehicles? Means should I buy the delivery vehicles? Clear, should I buy the delivery vehicles or should I take it on rent? If I have enough money, buy. If I don't have enough money, take it on rent. What is there in that? Then method used method to be used to deploy inventory, clear, inventory into logistics network. Means how am I going to give the goods to the logistics department to deliver it to you? How? Then I should also see the nature of material handling equipment. Material handling equipment. Obviously, sir, material handling equipment should be there. If these material handling equipments are not there, it becomes difficult to manage the logistics. Not difficult, almost impossible. Clear? And then I should also see one more thing. I'll write here only. What modes of transportation are available? Clear, what modes of transportation are available, like airways, roadways, waterways, what type of transportation method is available? Clear? Now, so this is what are the points what I have to keep in mind if I want my logistics department to be successful. Assume that everything is going on fine, my logistics is being managed in a proper way, then what are the advantages I will get? What are the advantages I will get? Sir, advantage number one, cost savings, sir. Advantage number one, cost savings. Sir, if I am able to deliver the products on time, if I am able to deliver the goods to buyers on time, then I need not keep the goods inside my factory. Because of it, storage cost will reduce. Cost of storage will reduce. Number two, inventory reduces. Inventory reduces. The inventory reduces. Obviously, sir, if I am manufacturing the goods and delivering the goods, manufacturing and delivering, because of which what happens, the quantity of inventory what I keep with me normally reduces. Then we have improved delivery time. Improved delivery times. Here, improve delivery times. Obviously, sir, since if my logistics are properly maintained, then I will be able to deliver goods to customers on or before time. And then because of it, what will happen? Customer satisfaction will happen. Here, customer satisfaction will happen. And because of all the upper points, what will happen? Competitive advantage. I will get a competitive advantage over rivals. Simple. I will get competitive advantage over rivals. These are the advantages what I get in case if my logistics strategy is successful. Now, then we have one more strategy, supply chain strategy. Here, supply chain management. Supply chain management. Sir, supply chain management means all the activities which start from receiving the order till the order is delivered to customer. In detail, we have already discussed in chapter number 2 of EIS. I repeat, EIS का chapter number 2 में we have discussed in ERP modules में supply chain management in detail. There I have already explained you what is supply chain management. All the activities which starts from receiving the order till the order is delivered to customer is called what? Is called as supply chain management. Now, what are the activities? What are the components of supply chain management? Sir, component number one. Component number one, product development. Here, product development. Component number two, procurement. Here, component number two, procurement. Component number three, manufacturing. Component number four, physical distribution. Here, component number four, physical distribution. So, product development means I should develop the product after talking to customers. Never develop the product what you want to develop. Always develop the product what your customers want from you. That is why here organization should coordinate. Here organization should coordinate with whom? With customers and suppliers. Customers and suppliers. Here customers and suppliers to develop what? Right product. To develop right product. Okay, to develop right product. And then once I decide what product to produce, then what will I do? I will start producing the goods. But to produce the goods, what do I need? I need what, sir? I need to buy raw materials. So this requires what? Procurement requires careful planning. I cannot buy whatever type of raw materials I want, right? Then identify sources. Identify sources from where you want to buy raw materials. Then transport the raw materials and then store. Simple. Store management. Storage management. Clear? Storage management. These all components come under what? Procurement. Now, once I procure, what happens, sir? Manufacturing happens. Manufacturing should always be dynamic. Clear? Manufacturing should always be dynamic. Dynamic manufacturing means keep changing the manufacturing as per the demands of customers. And then we have physical distribution means distribution of goods, distribution of right goods to right customers at right time and place. At right time and place. This point we have already discussed. That is called what, sir? Physical distribution. Next. Then after this, what is the next thing what I have to do? Sir, outsourcing. Clear? Outsourcing. Sir, what do we mean by outsourcing? Clear? Outsource the operations. Outsource those operations. Clear? Outsource those operations which organization believes. Which organization believes. Clear? Which organization believes can be better managed by others. Better managed by others. can be better managed by others. Clear? Can be better managed by others. Means I feel that some activities I feel that someone else can do better than me. Rather than wasting my time in those activities, I can ask someone else to do those things for me and give it to me. Let us say in a car manufacturing, tire someone else will manufacture, engine someone else will manufacture, body someone else will manufacture. Because I don't know, right? What I'll do, I will buy all the components which I have outsourced and then assemble them and manufacture the product. Then we have customer services. Here, then we have customer services. Obviously, sir, after sales customers are also important. Why, sir? Because develop a good relationship with customers. Develop good relationship, with customers. Here, develop a good relationship with customers. Here, develop a good relationship with customers. For what, sir? To achieve goals. Obviously, sir, customers will only help you to achieve your goals. If customers are not there, I won't be able to achieve my goal, because they are the people who buy my products, right? And then we have last one, performance measurement. Performance measurement. What do we mean by performance measurement? Performance measurement may try to get feedback on clear get feedback on cost to quality, clear cost of the product, quality of the product, clear, then customer services, etc., etc. And once I get clear, and once I get what's the feedback, try to improve. That is called what? Performance measurement. So how many steps are there in supply chain management, which is a part of logistics strategy? Product development, procurement, manufacturing, physical distribution, outsourcing, customer services, and performance measurement. How many in total? 7 components are there. So anyone having any doubts here? Again, these are all small concepts only. So what are the strategies we have completed? Sir, marketing strategy we have completed, then logistics strategy we have completed, supply chain we have completed, then human resource we have completed, finance. So how many strategies? R&D strategy and production strategy. These two strategies are pending. Clear? So once we are done with this, we will go through the case laws once. Production strategy. Production strategy. Sir, production strategy relates to what? It relates to production system. It relates to production system. It includes production planning and control. It also includes research and development. Research and development. Clear? Production strategy includes what, sir? Production system, production planning and control, and research and development. Now, sir, production system, clear, production system includes what? Production system, what all points are included? It includes production capacity. Here it includes production capacity, location of manufacturing, what else it includes? Layout of shop floor, It includes product or service design. Clear? It includes degree of automation. Clear? Automation means how much. Clear? It includes automation, etc., etc. These are all the points which are included where, sir? Included in production system. Now, production planning. Sir, production planning is concerned with what, sir? Production planning means what all included are there, sir? Production planning, you can say aggregate production planning. What do we mean by aggregate production planning? Planning for the complete business. Then it includes material supply. Here it includes material supply. It includes inventory. It includes cost and quality. Here it includes cost and quality management. Plus it also includes maintenance of plant and equipment. Maintenance of plant and equipment, etc., etc. These are some examples of what are included in production system and what are included in production planning and control. Now, we have one more last strategy, sir. That is research and development strategy, which is a part of again production strategy. Now, so research and development strategy we have here. Research and development strategy. Now, अब sir research and development strategy में some points what I have to keep in mind is number one, sir, should I perform? Here should I spend low, average, or high amount? Here should I spend low, average, or high amount on research and development? Or should I perform R&D within the organization, or outsource it? In case if I'm outsourcing, means if I'm giving a contract to someone, then decide should I go for private research, private R&D, or should I go for university R&D? University R&D. If I have lots of money, sir, money is not a problem, then go for private research and development. But sir, if money is a problem, you can't spend much money, then go for university research and development. Should I go for robotic or manual process? Should I go for robotic or manual process? Clear? Next to number 4, should I be a leader or follower? Should I be a market leader in R&D, or should I be a follower of R&D? Or should I go for basic research or applied research? Here, should I go for basic research or applied research? Or should I go for product improvement or process improvement, etc., etc. These are the points what you have to keep in mind. These are simple points, nothing much you have to explain. Now, sir, R&D में there are 3 strategies. R&D में there are 3 strategies of research and development. What are those 3 strategies, sir? Number one, be the first firm clear, to market new technology. Means be the first company to launch a new technology. Means market leader or market follower? Market leader. Or second one, I can be a successful, or you can say I can be an innovator, clear, imitator of successful tech products. Means I'm not going to launch something new. I will wait for you to launch something new. If your some new product what you launch is successful, then I will implement the same thing in my business. Or the last one, be a low cost producer. Be low cost producer. Here I can be a low cost producer of mass producing products. Here either I can be the market follower, or I can be a market imitator or follower, or I can produce low cost, low cost goods similar to my competitors' goods. These are the things what I have to keep in mind with respect to which strategy? R&D strategy. So anyone any doubts? So with this we complete which strategy, sir? We complete R&D strategy also. We complete this chapter also.